This time on Essex Speed Workshop, we weld these patches into our Subaru WRX Wagon.
And Peter, are you a professional welder?
No, not even a little bit.
How much practice have you had?
30 or 40 lines.
Literally minutes of practice.
Yeah, it's pretty much point and squirt. I mean, what we're going to do is take our magnets, hold the first piece in place, tack it with the settings that I've been playing with. I was using some cut-off metal from when we cut the patches, and then we'll go from there.
Have you got a clip of you practicing?
Whoops.
Are you a professional welder?
No. So, Nigel suggested after the camera died that we do some cardboard 80 design, or CAD, which means we changed a bit of cardboard like this into these two bits here. This is the new seal, this bit here. This just gives us something to weld onto. This bit's packed in the big hole where the axle stand we think's gone through. This will wrap round, just gives that bit more to weld onto as we're welding all the way around the patch there. First, we need to cut it out on a bit of metal, then we'll take over to the bandsaw.
What are you going to use to weld it?
We are using my Clark 135 TE from Machine Mart.
What settings have you got it on?
So this is 3mm mild steel, and what the instruction book says is to have it on 2 max, and then somewhere between 4 and 6 worth of wire speed, and a gas setting of 4. During my practice, that's what I've found generally works best when welding metal like that. As you've seen previously, this is the hole. We've taken back all the material, we've well through primered it. This is our grounding cable. We're going to put it, that'd be a stupid place to put it, about here, because I think that's as far back as we went. Think being the operative word. First patch, we're pretty sure this is the correct one to start with, which is the seal. I'm pretty sure the plan was, yeah.
Does that fit in flush?
Yeah.
And then if we put a magnet on one end, tack it at one end, and then move the magnet and do it on the other end?
Yeah, I'm thinking put it on the rear side here so it's out of my way.
Yeah.
Because right now, that's pretty.
Oh, from behind, I was thinking in front. That's a way better idea.
Well, I think behind, oh, the magnet's heavy. Ha ha ha. What a dickhead.
Is it not strong enough to hold itself up?
No. Hang on, let me just make sure I'm not being an idiot.
There's too much rust. Clamps it is then.
Oh, a G-clamp would do the trick.
Or moleys.
Or moleys. Moleys would do, wouldn't it? Because then we can just...
Yeah, just put it... Stay there.
Right, plan A's gone down the toilet because the magnets will not, well, magnetise to rust because, well, it's rust. What we're going to do is... I've changed my mind again. We're going to use some of these tiny mould grips.
Is it on the back, not the front? Because you're going to weld that bit.
I'm going to weld this bit first.
Are you?
I changed my mind.
Oh, okay.
Because that looks like it's going to be easier.
Okay, no, go for the easy side first.
Ooh.
It'll be fine.
Ooh.
It's only going to hold it.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm concerned about. Alright. That's too loose. That has now moved all over the shop. I'm going to go with that's level.
I mean, it looks pretty good from here.
I mean, it could be worse.
I mean, compared to the rest of the car.
Yeah, I mean, we're not using Tiger Seal, so... Okay, I'm happy with that. Are you happy?
Yeah. I reckon it'll move as well when we weld it.
Yep, definitely.
Attempt to weld it. Because it'll move with the heat.
I should probably put this back on.
Oh yeah, that might help.
Where do we want to put it now? That is the question.
Can you attach it to the bit of metal itself?
Yeah.
Or is that a silly idea?
No. Did I ever clean these bits of metal? I didn't.
I assume so.
No, I didn't.
From what?
With a flappy disc. Which I found was the most important thing in our fucking test. I mean, our flipping testing.
Oh, well in that case, we'll set it up again.
I don't know how well that shows on camera, but it's now super shiny. Well, we've cleaned everything just in case. It's just so the weld is a bit easier. This is some acetone. You can use brake clean if you want, just to get any oils and other contaminants. Oh, it's dripping everywhere already. Let's get our PP.
Heater protective equipment.
Yeah, I need protecting. I'm like an endangered species.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ow.
You alright?
Yeah.
That did jack.
Yeah.
So, I don't know how well that shows, but from my very limited experience, that means a little more wire speed and probably a little more gas. Then we'll try again. Ready?
Yep.
Hang on, stay there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've missed. I got a lovely bead on the end.
Hang on. I'm going to set that from me.
Yeah, I've got a lovely bead on the end there, which is great. It means I've probably got settings more accurate. Haven't actually attached it to the bit I wanted to.
Is it because the clamp's attached just to the metal and not the cup?
Oh, it could be, you know. So now I know it's on the car and on the bit of metal. And maybe then it will arc between that and the car. Or there was just so much rust there that it won't.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that sounded better.
Yeah, we're getting there, I think, but I don't think it's actually attaching itself as per se.
Yeah, it does seem to just be.
I'm gonna try do the same again, but then just join up here so I can work my way along. So I've got a bead that hopefully is
Good
penetrated, and then I can go along. I love being able to say the word penetrated. Ready?
Yep.
Do you know that weld through primer?
Yeah. Oh, hello.
It ain't welding to it. That's a paddling. Okay, let's try the other side.
Is it because it's not earthing properly?
I mean, I've grabbed my hold to it.
Yeah, but I don't think the earth will work through the primer.
I thought the whole point of it did.
No, I don't think it does.
So what?
Just clean it up a bit. Clean up the well. Clean the primer off the bit where we're attaching the earth.
I need a finger for that, don't I?
Yeah.
Do you know what I did with my finger sander?
Yeah, it's up here.
Oh, good. How much do I need, you reckon?
Just
all of
enough
it?
to make.
That?
Yeah, and maybe a bit higher because.
A bit, I think, probably also. No, because I didn't touch the bottom bit.
Well, I think that's as good as she's going to get.
I can give you this back, please. Thank you, please.
Is the camera still looking?
Yeah.
Good.
Make sure I'm on some shiny. Okay.
Let's try now.
Right.
Take 6.
Everyone's got PPE on?
Yeah.
Right. 3, 2, 1.
That sounded good.
Well, it looks like chicken poop, but your theory worked out, sir. Well done. Tack the other side. Tell you what, there's one way to find out. There's the yeah.
Yeah, I think we're in good shape. I've replaced myself with a tripod. What, you throw bits of metal everywhere?
I mean, I assume I can leave
The
the.
board was a genius idea because by laying on the board, all the bits are going out all over the floor and they're not going underneath you.
Yeah, that's exactly why I did it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What an absolute
Right.
genius.
In theory, I don't have to clamp the other side because the earth's. I mean, that's sorry. I don't have to move the.
No, it should all work.
Because it
already.
should all work. Because
Yeah.
it. I'm just gonna go. Ooh. That was the cable. That's fine.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep.
Stay.
Yep. I can see what you're doing as well.
Wow.
Does it look good?
No.
Does it look bad?
No.
Mediocre?
Me. Very me. I'm just gonna shoot straight and just go straight to filling it, if I'm
Yeah.
honest. So, please hold caller. Covered?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Stay.
Yep.
Stay.
Yep.
Okay. We're good. We can have PPE off.
How's it looking? It's alright, I can see your tip.
I don't know if it's tacked or not. That would suggest so. It is. Is that right? It's about the same as
I'd still go a bit more.
Yeah?
Because don't forget, this side you're sort of going from this flat edge here and you're smoothing off where it goes back, whereas here you're trying to get it consistent with this bit.
Yeah, I suppose.
It is, you could probably sand that bit at the back off though, because it's not really doing anything, is it?
Yeah, but I was going to leave it there for aesthetics.
Yeah, but
Bondo.
yeah, but you're bondoing over the top of lumpy bits then, which will be really hard to get smooth. Whereas if you sand it down, it'll be
Easier.
a nice smooth surface to bondo onto.
Probably should make the job easier for ourselves, not hard.
The difficult part of the process, creating and welding the patch into place, has now been complete. The excess material around the patch has also been ground flat, giving a smooth finish. The result is looking pretty good for a couple of amateurs in a shed.
Join us next time on Essex Speed Workshop, where the restoration moves to future-proofing our repairs as we apply sealant to our newly welded sections on the Subaru.